The biopulverizer from BioSpec Products quickly reduces plant and animal tissue to a coarse powder. Available in 4 different models, the biopulverizer uses cryopulverization to prepare even tough samples for subsequent cell disruption. Begin by placing the biopulverizer in a dish or container and slowly pouring liquid nitrogen over the biopulverizer until cooled to liquid nitrogen temperature. Remove the frozen biopulverizer from the container. With your tissue already frozen to liquid nitrogen temperature, place the frozen tissue into the biopulverizer well. And place the pestle into the well. Strike the pestle with the provided mallet 2 to 3 times. The pestle may be rotated a few degrees between strikes to ensure uniform pulverization. Lift the pestle and deposit the pulverized sample from the pestle and well into a sample dish. Your cryopulverized samples are now prepared for lysis in a mini bead beater.